72, I can use technical English skyscrapers, design and construction. Every skyscraper is designed within physical constraints, such as climate and geology, and then has to comply with the most stringent safety regulations. It also has to meet the needs of its occupants and satisfy the aesthetic objectives of both owner and architect. Design engineers translate the architect's vision into a detailed plan that is structurally sound. As each skyscraper is unique, models of the building must undergo rigorous tests in wind tunnels to determine whether they can withstand the effects of high winds. If tests show the building will sway excessively, designers may add mechanical devices to counteract or restrict motion. In construction, engineers dig a massive hole in the rock and then establish the footings, which form the base that anchors the building. Steel or reinforced concrete columns are inserted in the footings, and concrete is poured on top. Vertical supports are put in place by cranes. These support the vertical load. Horizontal beams and steel girders are then placed at a 90-degree angle to the vertical columns. These hold the building together. Exterior walls merely enclose the structure and are constructed by attaching panels of material such as glass or metal to the building's framework. This is often done by bolting them to brackets, secured to the floors, or support columns. Glossary constraint equals a thing which limits your freedom to do something, physical/financial/political constraints. Sin restriction. Constrain V comply with STH equals obey a rule, order, law, etc. Compliance and stringent equals of a law, rule, etc. Very strict meet the needs of SB/STH equals satisfy the needs of SB/STH. Occupant equals a person who lives or works in a particular room or building. Residents live or stay in a building but don't work in a building. Rigorous equals done carefully and with great attention to detail. Sin thorough determine something equals calculate something exactly. Sin establish STH withstand STH equals be strong enough to be unharmed by great heat, cold, pressure, etc. Sin resist STH stand up to STH sway equals move slowly from side to side. Counteract STH equals do STH to reduce or prevent the bad effects of STH. Motion equals the act or process of moving. STH can be in motion. Anchor something equals fix something firmly in position so that it cannot move. Reinforced equals made stronger, especially by the addition of another material. Concrete equals a mixture of sand, cement, small stones, and water, which forms a hard building material. Vertical equals going straight up or down from a surface. Load equals the amount of weight pressing down on something, a vertical load. Beam equals a long piece of wood or metal used to support a weight above girder, equals a strong metal beam in large buildings. Angle equals the space between two lines or surfaces that join. Angle something. V equals move or position something so it is not straight. It is at an angle. Bolt something to something equals fasten something with a bolt. Equals a long piece of metal. Bracket equals a piece of metal or wood fixed to a wall to support something.